Here we are, Duffy Lumpy, the famous dog. He's on TV, so he's on the TV. So, okay, here he is. Can't really see his face. Oh, now you can. Kinda. Okay, what we are going to talk about today is how to eat Duffy. How to eat Duffy. Okay, how you eat Duffy is to do this. See, he's very delicious. This may not be a usual thing to do, but stick your foot in his face. Yeah, he's really not that much. Yeah, it's easy.